Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn 8th standard English subject. So let's get started. Students, join with me on Telegram. My Telegram ID Study with Vaishnavi YT. If you want to go directly, link in description. Poem number 4.1 The Wheat. In this video we are going to see English workshop. So let's move to question and answers. So student, here is our question number 1. What is the rhyme scheme of stanzas 1, 2, 3 and the last two stanzas? How does it differ in the remaining stanzas 4 to 7? Now see the answer. In stanzas 1, 2, 3 and the last two stanzas the alternative lines rhyme, i.e. the rhyme scheme is A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D and so on. However, in the stanzas 4 to 7, the rhyme scheme is A, A, B, C, C, B, i.e. the first two lines rhyme, then the third and sixth lines rhyme, and the fourth and fifth line rhyme. So student, here is our question number 1 is also completed. Let's move to question number 2. Write any 5 illness of the animals in the poem that you find most amusing and laughable. Now see, the monkey pictured his tails. The crocodile turns cannibal and bites. The giraffe has stiff necks. The kangaroo won't jump, and the last one, the hinds will not laugh. So student, here is our question number 2 is also completed. Let's move to question number 3A. Out of all names of birds and animals given in the poem, pick out 4 names that are similar in English as well as in Hindi, Marathi or your mother tongue. Now see the answer. Zebra, giraffe, chimpanzee and kangaroo. So here is our question number 3A is also completed. Let's move to question number 3B. Write 4 reasons why animals in a zoo suffer more than those who lie free in the wild. Now see the answer. First, lack of free space to move around. Second, easy transformation of diseases. Third, food limited in quantity and variety. And fourth one, that is last one, trouble from human visitors. So student, here is our question number 3B is also completed. Let's move to question number 4. Think deeply and write. Is the poet really discouraging the youth from becoming wet? Explain your response. Now see the answer. No, the poet is not really discouraging the youth. The poem is a light-hearted one. However, the poet wants the reader to know how difficult the work of a vet is and what a wide variety of patients he has to cure. They have different types of illness and different types of organ. They cannot even discuss their problem with him. We must acknowledge all this and respect the vet. So student, here is our question number 4 is also completed. Let's move to question number 5. Find out from a vet or from a website what precaution a vet has to take when he/she is called to treat one dangerous animal. Make point-wise notes of the same. Now see the answer, students. Must be aware of the signs they give. Their body language. Must not be distracted. Protect against the big and attacked. Precaution against the allergies and transformation of diseases. Wear protective gear, etc. So student, here is our question number 5 is also completed. Let's move to question number 6. This is last question of this poem. Now see. Select any 4 zoo animals mentioned in the poem. Imagine they are able to talk in English. Compose a dialogue among the 4 animals discussing their discomfort and illness. Now see the answer. Animals. Giraffe, tortoise, bear, kangaroo. Now giraffe says, ouch, my neck hurts. The whole length of it. How lucky you are, tortoise, to have such a short neck. Now tortoise say, lucky? Do you know what it means to take ages to move a foot? How difficult it is to permanently carry your home on your back? Now kangaroo say, oh, you find it difficult to move your feet. What about me? My legs are of unequal length. I cannot walk comfortably. I am acceptable to jump around. I am sick and tired of jumping. I want to walk regally like you, Madam Hippo. Now Hippo say, regally my foot. I am walking so slowly because I am feeling ill. And I do not know if this hug body is actually paining. You tortoise have such a small body. Not much searching is needed to find out the cause of the problem. Now tortoise say, problem? I only want to be able to move quickly so that I can eclipse my enemies and exercise my lungs. Now giraffe say, I agree with Madam Hippo. The bigger the body, the more the air that has to investigate to find out the problem. Doctor is never able to find out which part of my neck actually paining. Now kangaroo say, Try balancing yourself on legs of unequal length and having to jump all the time. Keeping your baby in your pouch. Now Hippo say, okay, we all have our own problems. Let's hope that the doctor who looks about us to inner knowledge and experience to cure us. He cannot even understand what we say. All the others, how true. So student, here is our poem 4.1. The weed is completed. So see you in my next video. Till then, please like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon and also don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching my video.